Hi guys, my name's Alicia
And I'm Hannah.
Today we're going to be showing you some gorgeous hairstyles that you can use for
Gymnastics.
or every day.
So what hairstyle are we doing today, Alicia?
We're doing the Waterfall braid! Yay! So, yeah.
We'll show you the things you need to use.
A hairbrush, some hair grips, and a hairband. First, you have to brush your hair really nicely. So if you just keep on brushing the hair until it's really lovely and smooth. Cool. Okay, once the hair is really nice and smooth, you can start the braiding. Okay, you take a strand of hair close to the ear, and the braid is going to be quite high up here, so you want to take quite a high up strand. And you divide it into two pieces, like this. Okay, then you get those pieces and you twist them twice around. So once, twice. It's up here, there, and it's like that. Okay, now you grab another piece of strand from the top here, above them, and you literally, you put it in the middle of these two strands, so it goes in the middle like that. So it's in the middle, and then you let it drop, okay? Then you go again. Okay, twist twice again. So you go like this, once, twice. Let me just pop this down. And if any point, like the strand of hair that you dropped through goes up a bit, you can just pull it down to tighten it. And then you come twice, and you get a strand and the other strand of hair from the top. Okay, let's get it in from the top. And you place it through the middle, like that. Okay, now we're going to start again. Now you go two more twists, and you get the parting at the top, you get a strand, and you place it through the middle, and so on, and so on. Okay guys, now I have just come to the ending of the head, and I've done two more twists at the end, like that, and basically you put the twists back on themselves, like they go back like that. These are when the grips come in. Now, you need to get a grip, like so, and you put it through like that. And you just grip the ending back and underneath the hairs, so this grip can't be shown like so. So yeah, so that's the ending. So it's like that at the end. Okay, now, yeah. Okay, this is where the hairband comes in. Okay, so we need to just simply do a ponytail, just with those hairs. And don't worry, you can brush it and all that. There. You just make quite a low ponytail. There. And you tie it up with the hairband. Okay, like so, and yeah, and cool. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like that, and that's the hairstyle. And so, what do you think?
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. It's amazing. Oh, wow. This is truly one of the best hairstyles I have ever had. Watch our next hairstyle video. The next one's going to be a belly bun. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, my name's Lucia.
And my name's Hannah.
And today we're going to be showing you some gorgeous hairstyles that you can use for
Gymnastics.
or every day.
So,